Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best food coloring gel is probably one of the most essential tools for any cookie decorator looking to create stunning designs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the right food coloring can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of food coloring gels, exploring what makes them stand out and how to choose the perfect ones for your cookie decorating adventures. Number 5. Wilton Gel Food Coloring Variety Set, 12 count. Introducing a set of 12 vibrant gel food colorings. This set is perfect for buttercream, fondant, and more. It will bring your creations to life. The gel-based formula provides rich, vibrant shades. It won't alter the consistency of your frosting or batter. A little goes a long way with this product. Simply dab with a toothpick and mix to achieve your desired intensity. You can also blend colors together to create unique shades. It's easy to use for any skill level. Whether you're decorating for birthdays or weddings, this product will help you achieve professional quality results. The colors are long-lasting and reliable. It is a must-have for any baker. This set includes a wide spectrum of colors, including primary colors, teal, burgundy, black, brown, and copper. It has everything you need to create beautiful treats. The possibilities are endless with this set. What we like. This set offers a wide array of vibrant colors, perfect for any occasion. It provides professional quality results, ensuring your creations look stunning. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to tackle any decorating project, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors are very vibrant. The gel is easy to use and a little goes a long way. It is perfect for cookie decorating. Number 4. Clark 12 Colors Gel Food Coloring. Introducing Clark's professional grade gel food coloring. It's made in the USA and perfect for all your baking needs. This product will bring your creations to life. Get brighter, more concentrated colors for your icing, frosting, and batter. One tube of this gel coloring can color enough icing for 32 two-layer cakes. It's a must-have for any baker. This premium gel food coloring is easier to control, drop by drop, than liquid dyes. You can blend the perfect shade with less mess and more precision. It makes baking so much easier. This product is free of peanuts, tree nuts, gluten, eggs, dairy, soy, fish, and shellfish. It's also non-GMO, kosher, and vegan. It's safe for everyone to enjoy. The 12-pack includes Super Black, Super Red, Royal Blue, Regal Purple, Bubblegum Pink, Pumpkin Orange, Lemon Yellow, Leaf Green, Ocean Teal, Sky Blue, Mocha Brown, and Vivid Fuchsia. It has everything you need. This product is manufactured with pride at Clark's food production facility in Rutland, Vermont. You can trust the quality and the origin of this product. What we like. This food coloring is highly concentrated, ensuring vibrant colors with less product. It's also allergen-free, catering to various dietary needs. If you have sensitivities or are looking for a safe option, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The shades are intense and blend well with buttercream, fondant, and pastry dough. Just a few drops are enough to achieve a vibrant color, so it goes a long way. The consistency is perfect, no weird aftertaste, no watery mess. It mixes into royal icing like a dream and gives me those bold, bakery-style shades that really make my treats pop. Number 3. U.S. Cake Supply Liqua-Gel Food Coloring Set. Introducing the U.S. Cake Supply Liqua-Gel Food Coloring Set. This set provides a wide range of bright, vivid, and intense colors to make your baked goods stand out. These Liqua-Gel colors are easy to mix and disperse instantly. The squeeze bottles with flip-top lids make it simple to add drops for consistent colors every time. The gels are freeze-tolerant, fade-resistant, and won't break down icings. It's formulated for use with various applications, including whipped toppings and fondant. Use it with buttercream icings, cake batter, cookie dough, and more. This versatile set is a must-have for any baker or decorator. Made in the USA with high-quality ingredients, this product is also certified kosher. You can trust the quality and safety of this food coloring set. What we like. These gels are highly concentrated and easy to mix, ensuring consistent results every time. They come in squeeze bottles for easy application. If you like precise control and ease of use, you'll love this product. What people say. The dye is so much more vibrant and solid compared to cheaper stuff, and no weird taste to it. Easy to use and mix your colors. Mixes easily in the icing I made. I used this to make mint chocolate fudge. I used the green, 1 drop, with melted white chocolate morsels. Did not seize or cause my fudge to break up. Number 2. Gel Food Coloring Set, 21 colors. This gel food coloring set includes 21 vivid colors. It's perfect for adding a pop of color to your cakes, cookies, and more. You can also mix them to create custom shades. Made with high-quality, food-grade ingredients, this coloring is tasteless and flavorless. It won't change the texture of your food. It's also dairy-free, gluten-free, peanut-free, non-GMO, and vegan-friendly. This water-based food pigment is easy to mix and ideal for cake decorating, fondant, and Easter eggs. It's also great for making slime, soap, and other DIY projects. The gel food color dye comes in a squeeze bottle, making it easy to control the drops. Just add slowly to achieve your desired shade. The set also includes gloves to keep your hands clean. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us through Amazon. We will respond within 24 hours and do our best to assist you. We are always here to help. What we like. This set is tasteless and flavorless, ensuring your food's original taste remains intact. It offers 21 vibrant colors, allowing for endless creative possibilities. If you're looking for a vegan-friendly option that won't alter your food's flavor, this is the one for you. What people say. Great true to color. Color is in small bottles. But they go a long way. Colors are perfect. The color are really good and only needed a small amount. Number 1. U.S. Art Supply 12-Color Liqua-Gel Decorating Kit. Introducing the U.S. Art Supply 12-Color Liqua-Gel Decorating Kit. This kit is perfect for adding vibrant colors to your food and slime creations. Made in the USA, this kit is non-toxic and food-grade safe. It's designed to bring fun and flair to any batch of slime or food project, ensuring safety for everyone. The Liqua-Gel colors are easy to mix and disperse instantly. The squeeze bottles with flip-top lids make it simple to add drops for consistent colors every time. These Liqua-Gel colors won't harden or separate, making them ideal for your slime creations. It ensures your slime projects remain soft and vibrant. With high-quality ingredients, this kit is certified kosher. You can trust the quality and safety of this product for all your creative endeavors. The kit includes 12 popular colors: coal black, royal blue, sky blue, buckeye brown, flesh tone, leaf green, sunset orange, deep pink, rose pink, super red, violet, and lemon yellow. It provides a wide range of colors for all your needs. What we like. This kit is non-toxic and food grade, making it safe for all your creations. The colors are easy to mix and disperse instantly. If you are looking for a safe and easy-to-use option, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy to use. Colors are beautiful, they have a lovely sheer essence and shine to them. The colors are true, the bottles are small, but that was expected. Oh my god, the colors are beautiful and they dye exactly as they are in the bottle. You only have to put very little dye, it goes a long way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.